Late this afternoon, relatives of three men who died waiting for liver transplants are now seeking an injunction against a Memorial Hermann doctor.
Yeah, according to a New York Times investigation, Dr. Steve Bynon allegedly prevented his patients from getting the liver transplants they needed.
Matt Doherty has been following this story for us since it first broke earlier this month. He's live outside Memorial Hermann Hospital with this update. Matt?
Yeah, today lawyers representing the family members of the men who died filed a temporary restraining order requesting the doctor preserve anything that could be considered evidence. Richard Mustachi and Robert Osuna both died last year waiting for liver transplants. Daniel Rodriguez Alvarez died 2 weeks ago waiting for his. All of them were among the patients of Dr. Bynon and had spent years on the transplant waiting list. The New York Times wrote earlier this month that sources claim Dr. Bynon intentionally miscoded his patients, effectively making them ineligible for liver transplants. So far, nobody has said publicly what motivations the doctor may have allegedly had. According to the New York Times, Memorial Hermann says the doctor confessed to manipulating patients' records. Earlier this month, the hospital, quote, voluntarily inactivated its liver and kidney transplant program, which had been overseen by the doctor since 2011. Dr. Bynon was contracted to work for Memorial Hermann from the University of Texas Health Science Center in Houston. UT Health Houston released a statement this month supporting the doctor, calling him, quote, an exceptionally talented and caring physician. The statement also says Dr. Bynon's transplant survival rates and surgical outcomes are among the best in the country. No criminal charges have been filed against the doctor. There is currently a federal investigation underway by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services into these allegations. Now, we asked Memorial Hermann earlier if they had any comment about what these new updates meant. They said they did not. Tomorrow afternoon, we are expecting to hear from the lawyers representing those families. Back to you.
Interested to hear their thoughts. Matt Doherty tonight. Thank you.
Harris County